Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Creative Wolf, and in today's video, I will show you how you can create an awesome infographic PowerPoint presentation. Let's go. So we are back with an awesome infographic design. So as always, let's start by opening up the fresh blank new presentation. Let's set the layout to blank. The first step that we have to do, we have to fill our slide with a nice background gradient. We have to select the color and then change its position according to the requirement. Let's go for it. I will give a white blackish color to the background. Let's go to insert shapes and let's find this oval shape. So now we have to remove the outline and also make sure to lock aspect ratio, which will make easiness to us. It's time to change the size of the oval to 4. Align the oval center and middle of the slide. Now we have to apply gradient fill one more time. I am applying white blackish gradient fill to the oval again. We have to select the color and then change its position according to the requirement. So we have successfully applied gradient. Now we will apply shadow effect to our oval. I have applying shadow effect according to me. You may change the specification according to your requirement. Let's go to the Home tab and find the shape named block arc. Let's insert this shape. Now tap the no fill option and then increase the width to 25 point. Lock aspect ratio. The size of the shape is a little small in vision, so now we will increase the shape to 5. Shift the shape to center. So now you can see 2 orange dots. One is used to control the circumference of the oval. Let's see what I mean. The second dots is used to change the width of the outline. Insert the guides for easiness. In order to make the desired shape, pull the second dot outward. I have already experimented what sizes matches with oval, so I am using them directly. If you want how to do that, then you have to go for hit and trial. Place the arc over the oval until you get your desired size and shape. Let's apply shadow effect to our block arc. I have applying shadow effect according to me. You may change the specification according to your requirement. Further, group both shapes and lock the aspect ratio. Now make 5 copies this group having different sizes. For making a copy, hold the Shift plus Control key and drag it left or right. Select all the groups and make them align center and middle of the slide. After this, make them ungrouped. I have already experimented what sizes matches with oval, so I am using them directly. If you want how to do that, then you have to go for hit and trial. Place the arc over the oval until you get your desired size and shape. Make sure all ovals are center aligned. The presentation is looking a little bit dull, so we will apply the colors to the block arc shape. I have already chosen colors for the shape. If you want to use any further color, you may. I will apply purple color to the first arc, pink to the second, orange to the third and yellow to the fourth arc. Now we will displace the shapes a little bit to use the guides. Now the different circumference will represent different percentages. For example, I am putting the purple as 25%, 50% pink, 60% orange and 75% yellow. Now it's time to insert the new logo of our channel. Let's insert it in a new slide. So we have inserted the image of the logo and subtract it with the help of merge shape option by a circle in order to get a circular logo. Now we have copied all the formatting of the middle circle by using the format painter. Now place the logo in place of the oval. So we have inserted all our basic component of the presentation. Now time to insert the text, so let's start. I have inserted 4 words that are innovative, creativity, interactive, interesting. Align them. Now change the font to a nice one like Agilist. Further add arrow from arc to the text. Change the outline colors to purple, pink, orange, yellow respectively. Let's change the tip to a circular one from both sides. Now insert the percentages text box and align them. Change the font to Montserrat Alternates. Copy the text box and change the entries. So we have successfully added all the shapes which are needed for the presentation. Time to make the slide more attractive by applying the animations. So we will apply basic zoom animation to the ovals and make them after previous. Now we will copy the animation by using the animation painter option in advanced animation. First of all, we have to selected that object of which animation have to be copied. Now click on animation painter option and further click on the object on which animation have to be applied. Now we will use the fade animation for the rest of the objects. First of all, we will apply for the block shape, then for the arrow and further for the text. We will start it with yellow, then orange, then pink and at last purple. Similarly we will do for all. Let's see what we made. Let's change the duration a little bit of text and arrow. Now let's see result of our hard work. Once again, thank you for watching this video and I'll see you on the next one.